Chef Regina Charbonneau. Welcome back to Regina's Kitchen. Let's talk deviled eggs. So very Southern, of course, you know, Natchez is the biscuit capital. We could easily be the capital of deviled eggs. Everybody has their version. The key to my deviled eggs is I add cream cheese, mayonnaise, and Dijon mustard. I make a really creamy deviled egg, but it's really about the toppings and the seasonings. So in Mississippi Current, I feature a deviled egg with crab meat and wasabi caviar, one of my favorites for a cocktail party. And at Regina's Rind and Vine, I dust my eggs, my deviled eggs, with truffle salt. It's one of our best sellers of our small plates. So let me show you how it's done, and we'll see you soon.